We're not here to replace your trusted advisors. We're simply here to amplify their value. Curious how we collaborate? Your existing advisors, CPAs, attorneys, and financial planners, do play a critical role in managing specific aspects of your wealth. Our strategic tax planning service complements their expertise. We bring specialized knowledge of incentives, alternative investments, and risk mitigation strategies to the table, while our technology sources unique programs and credits. The result? A well-rounded, collaborative approach where each expert contributes their perspective. We provide the insights, your advisors refine and implement them, and together, we create a cohesive strategy specifically tailored and custom engineered for you. So let's elevate your advisory team's capabilities. Reach out and we'll show you how our strategic approach can seamlessly integrate with your current network of professionals.